Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English literature. Today we are going to read about your lesson number 4, The Last Leaf. It's question answers and book work. First question is, why does Sue refer to the leaf as a Burman's masterpiece? Answer. Sue referred to the leaf as a Burman's masterpiece because the kind-hearted artist had a soft feeling for the two girls. Johnsy was on the death suffering from pneumonia, followed by jaundice. She had lost the will to live. She kept watching leaves from the ivy climbers falling and thought that her life too would end when the ivy leaves with realistic, the last one will fell. Mr. Berman secretly painted the ivy leaf with the realistic colors when the last leaf continued to stay intact and the face of wind, rain and snow. Johnsy too began to revive and soon became well. Mr. Berman, who was failed artist, caught a cold and died after the 2 days. His ivy leaf became a masterpiece, fame on his death. Now the book work, see the word scarcely meaning hardly, scarcely making the nipple not at all moving, decayed, dead, gnarled, twisted, then broth, thin soup, lose my hold and everything and go sailing down means give up my grip on the life and die, and ridiculous means funny. Pick the correct marks. Sue, the Johnsy and Johnsy stayed together because they had many common interests. The unseen stranger was Berman. Johnsy's dream to paint the Bay of Naples, and the doctor felt that Johnsy would not feel better because she was counting the carriage in her funeral processions. And fifth one is, the doctor cannot help the patient if he did not want to get well. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Johnsy was unwell and she had got pneumonia. Second, Johnsy was sure that she would die when the last leaf fell. Sue did not want Johnsy to count or watch the leaves. Johnsy was happy to see the last leaf when she woke up. Johnsy realized it was in sin or wicked things to want to die. States whether true or false. Sue painted the leaf to make her friend feel better. No, false. It was Mr. Berman. The leaf was actually painted by doctor. No, it was painted by Mr. Berman. It's so false. Berman died of pneumonia because he was drenched while painting the leaf. Yes, it is true. Johnsy felt better when she saw the last leaf. True. The last leaf had fallen during the night due to the storm. True. Now, phrase and the meaning. Unseen stranger disease. Anything on her mind. Anything on her mind a worry. Courage, the carriages in her funeral, think that she will die. Cried her heart out means weep badly. Scarcely making a ripple under the bedclothes means without moving. Cold breeze of autumn means cold breeze, and skeleton branches means plant without leaves. Chances were 1 to 10 means very little chance, and hand those drawing in means submit the drawing. and still as a fallen marble statue. It is to lie still, A, and turn loose, hold on everything means to give up, and stood out means was clearly visible. Now, with the suitable words, fill in the blank. You look, first one is look, second, yes, I am. Third one is, have you got an umbrella? It looks. Then, they don't have a house in Delhi, they live with friends at the moment. You are making a lot of noise, please be quiet. I am unable to concentrate. Why are you behaving so hard today? I have a lot to do. Where is Susan? She is having a bath. Hello Anita, are you at party? Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of ing. I am not sleeping. Second one is, isn't raining. Third is, I want to lose weight, so I am not eating. Today is Sunday, so I am not working. I hate my new job. I am not enjoying it anymore. Ritu, Ajay. Hello Ajay. What are you doing these days? Ajay, I am working in a nearby mall. Ritu, really? Are you okay with it? It's alright. What about you? Ritu, well, actually, I am not working. I ought to find a job, but not easy. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.